Hello everyone, Akash here. Today I want to talk about there's a three kind of 7 days ginger oil in the market. So which one would be better for you? All three of this made with ginger, right? So when you go online, you see yellow color 7 days ginger oil. You would see like green color. This is probably the most popular out there. You would see 7 days ginger oil. Then there is one called 7 days Vivek ginger oil, right? I used all three of them. Okay, so I compare like which one would be. I used this one first for almost 6 months, more than that. Then I get this one 7 days ginger oil, and this is how the bottle gonna look like when you get it. This is the green one, this packet right here. This is the yellow one right here, and this is the Vivek 7 days ginger oil. So if you're thinking which one should get, all three is ginger, so no, it's all 100% ginger natural product, so it's not harmful. So if you recently start losing hair, like you could check out my playlist, some of the video natural product I used over the year, which helped me. If you see some of the picture which helped me, I never used chemical products. So hopefully whatever the hair I have left over, because of probably using natural product. One other thing I noticed when I use any of the ginger product, within 2 weeks you would see your hair looks thicker and fuller. You don't grow the hair really fast, like it says 7 days doesn't mean you grow your hair 7 days, that's it, you don't use it. No, it's not like that. And this bottle is on 1 ounce. This also exact the same. I feel like these two, the green one and the yellow one, probably the same company, exact the same, and smells the same, and the direction is exact the same. Like if you get one of these, you gotta use it every morning. Like you use it exactly where you need it. Wherever you have the bald spot, that's where exactly you're gonna put it. Like you're gonna take a little bit with this, put it exactly where you need, gently massage it, don't go rub it too much, a little bit, and that's how you do it. So this way, this bottle I would say is good for like 14 days. Maybe if you use it a lot less, if you have less bald spot, maybe 20 days. So if you're gonna get this, maybe get like 2 bottle, like 1 bottle is gonna go really fast. So this two is similar. Then I came up I ordered this one Vivek about 3 months ago, and this is probably the third bottle I got it. I feel like this one, see the bottle, it's still 1 ounce bottle, but the top is different. So this one, when you open it, it's kind of like a drop. You just drop it exactly where you need it a little bit. Maybe this is better style, but this is much more stronger. But you smell it, it's stronger, but when you put it in, when you massage it, then you could go by your days. You don't have to wash your hair, nothing. You could use it, go out, people not gonna notice nothing. It's not gonna be greasy, it's not gonna be oily, it's not gonna be nothing. So that would definitely, so when it's much stronger, I feel like again, if you used this one, let me know, but I used both. I feel like this one regrow hair faster, and every time you use it, this bald spot you have, it feels like it's much more thicker and fuller. You feel immediately, you feel that. So that's better, because if you have a little bit of bald spot, you use this and it's immediately feel a little bit more thicker, fuller, less bald spot event. That's much better. So again, one product, if even this is 1 ounce, so you could get at least 2 bottles, start with it 1 month and see how it works. But very important, remember one thing, you need a good shampoo with anything you use. If you don't have a good shampoo, if you use a chemical shampoo and using a natural ginger product, it's not gonna go with it. It's not gonna work good, because you using chemical, also using natural, is gonna mix up. It's not gonna be a good result. So there is a ginger shampoo that I started using, and I love it. This is Tulify. I probably pronouncing it wrong, but this ginger oil, I have the link in description box, all this product and everything. You could check it out in description box. Those products are really cheap, $6-7, $5. So this shampoo is pure 100% ginger. So how you do it, I don't use it every day, I use it every other day. When you're taking a shower, you use a little bit, you don't need too much. If you have a small hair like me, you're probably gonna use this good for more than 2 months, at least more than 2 months. So you could get 1 bottle is more than 2 months, and you're gonna see immediately when you come out of the shower. Again, when you're taking a shower, please don't use hot water. Try to use cold water. Some people use warm water, but try to get it like cold water. It's always much better, if you could do it. And when you're using a towel, I say that in many videos, go easy on your hair, because your hair is very soft when you take a shower. It's very soft, so just gently press it with your towels. Don't go like jiggle it or anything. So This way you lose less hair, because you wanted to reduce amount of hair you lose. So this shampoo, you're gonna put 3 to 5 minutes. You keep it on your hair and gently massage it slowly. Keep it there for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse it out with the cold water. If you did it for like every other day, I clean my hair every other day. If you want to use it every day, that's fine too, but I would say use it every other day. Don't like this way, less pressure on your hair. And again, one more thing, gel. If you're using gel, even some people say, oh, alcohol free gel is good, but I would say, if you're going to the party or something, you have to use a gel to style your hair or something, then you do it. But don't use the gel every day. That's really like harmful to your hair, because if you're using natural product to regrow your hair thicker and floor natural, but again same time you're using gel, all the chemical and everything you're using, that's definitely not gonna be a good idea. And also, if you have any hair oil, if you have like in home any hair oil, castor oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, any kind of coconut oil, any kind of oil that you have it in home that you like, if you're using it once or twice a week, then fine, stick to it. Otherwise, I would definitely recommend, it's called satua oil. It's probably by far the best Indian oil. Why I said it's the best? Because it mixed with 7 different kind of oil. It's like I just told you, coconut oil, jojoba oil, amla oil, all those 7 different castor oil, all the 7 different oil mixed together. So which happens, you don't think, oh, maybe I use coconut oil, maybe I should use castor oil, maybe I use jojoba oil. So you get everything mixed, so you don't have to worry about it. And also, it looks like a small bottle, but if you have a small hair like me, you could use it once a week. Then this is good for like 3 months, 4 months. It could be more than that. But if you're a girl, woman, I have the link in description box. But you could get a little bit bigger bottle, because your hair is longer. But even again, you're using once a week, so you're not gonna it's gonna last for a long time. So that should definitely help. Like, if you want to keep it, again, you don't have to get the ginger. If you're thinking there's a shampoo you're using and you love it for your hair, then I would definitely think you should get this Anderia. Anderia, I don't know if you heard about this. This product is very famous in Asia. It's also pure ginger. But why I'm telling you this? Because this, you could use it in a shampoo. Again, if any of this video information was helpful to you, recently started losing hair, please hit the like button. That would be really helpful to my channel. Thank you so much. So Anderia, this is a very cheap bottle, okay? Very cheap. I put the link in the description box. You got it. This is how it's gonna look like. It's kind of look like the Vivek, the head of the Vivek. See that? I told you this one you use a little bit on your head wherever you need it, in the bald spot. So this is like this. So this is what you do. You put if you have a 10-ounce shampoo that you like, you're using right now, okay? So I want to keep my shampoo. I love it. So then you get this. You put 5 drop into 10-ounce shampoo. So if you have like a 20-ounce shampoo, then you put 10 drop. If you have like 30-ounce big bottle, then you put 15 drop. So you get it. So you get like few of these. It's very cheap. I'll put the link in the description box. So this way you get the ginger, and when you put it in 10-ounce shampoo, 20-ounce, whatever the shampoo you have, shake it well. Shake it well. Every time you use the shampoo, shake it well. So it's gonna mix up with your shampoo. It's not gonna change anything. This is pure ginger, no harmful, nothing. Whatever the shampoo you're using, if it's natural like biotin shampoo, I would definitely recommend biotin shampoo. It's also as good. You could check it on my playlist. So you get this, any kind of shampoo that you like, you could keep it. Just get this, put it in there, 10 drop, 15, 20 drop, and then shake it well. Use that, and this is gonna last probably for 3-4 months, because it's only using 5 drop for 10-ounce shampoo. So that's gonna lead. So this way you could just keep whatever the shampoo you like. So again, this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button. That would be really appreciated. Thank you so much.